what I see, an affliction in many a wicked, treacherous, barren. Little do I care about the grief and less about the harm. So I wish to rejoice by singing, for I go with joy, and with joy I think, and worry does not hinder me, nor does wisdom cause me any lack, for making a new servantees. War pleases me, even though love and my lady make war on me all year long. For from war I see issue forth godliness and courting, conversation and song. War makes a courtly man out of a villain, so I like war well waged. And I like it when the truce is broken, of the sterlings and the turnois. Sterlings and turnois, they exchange, take and put and give. We will see from the two kings before a year is out, the less base one, in my opinion. For this reason, the Lord Count Duke Marquis has indeed drawn his pledge, but Gascons and English, so people tell me, make him put it in pawn. Now let us see who will be better able to endure the sufferings and the blows. Many a bay horse and many a grey, many a shield, many a helmet, and many a sword and many a blow struck immediately. Many a wall, many a tower destroyed. We will see many a head broken, many a castle forced and conquered. I do not at all believe the French without asking hold the desire they have wrongfully against many an esteemed baron. So I marvel greatly at the Lord of the Aragonese, because to their harm he does not break away, since the Count Duke Marquis has departed from him, from his agreement. Whoever wishes may have ill or good from it, or hindrance or freedom, or broken arm or broken head. For I care as much about the dead as about the prisoners. A gay person keeps me gay, pleasant, young, well-made, and I have with her a pact, like the peasants have with the Genoese.